International money transfers can fail or get delayed due to incorrect banking details, and that's where an IBAN validation tool comes into play. IBAN, or International Bank Account Number, is a globally recognized format that ensures payments are routed correctly. This tool is used by banks, remittance companies, and individuals to verify that an IBAN is structurally accurate before initiating a transfer. When you enter an IBAN into the validation tool, it checks the length, structure, and country-specific format. It also detects errors caused by typos or wrong branch codes. Some advanced IBAN validation tools even cross-check BIC or SWIFT codes to confirm the exact bank branch. Sub-keywords like IBAN checker online and IBAN number generator are often used by people looking for quick and accurate verification before sending international payments. Here are 5 important things to know about IBAN validation tools. First, real-time error detection. These tools not only confirm IBAN structure but also highlight incorrect check digits, preventing transfer rejection. Second, country-specific format mapping. Every country has a unique IBAN length and format, and the tool automatically adapts to these rules. So, some financial platforms actually embed IBAN validation directly into their systems, which, ensures smooth transactions without the need for manual checks. And advanced IBAN validation tools can also identify dormant or closed accounts by using linked bank data. By verifying the authenticity of the IBAN, these tools add a solid fraud prevention layer and honestly help minimize risks related to international payment fraud. For businesses that deal with high transaction volumes, using an IBAN validation tool can, significantly reduce operational costs and boost customer trust. Plus, many remittance service providers integrate APIs of popular IBAN validators like IBAN.com or bank.codes, which allows automated verification before payments are processed. To avoid failed transactions, it's really important to always verify the IBAN along with the SWIFT code of the recipient bank. Combining these steps ensures that the funds reach the exact account without any unnecessary delays or extra fees.